Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about Cronodes. Lately we can see that CRN, that is the crypto.com, the crypto value has actually drastically come down, and it was trading around close to 60 cents, 70 cents, and also touched a dollar. But now recently it's been probably around 17 cents, 18 cents. So there's no other better use than just creating some nodes now at this moment, and hopefully if the crypto.com price goes up, then at least some sort of income could be created. So that's why I am creating this Cronodes at the moment. To the point now, we need 20 CRNs to create a node. Okay, so at the moment now each CRN is around 55 cents, means it costs $11. So $11 in total your investment, but means that it's giving every day one CRN, means that it's giving 55 cents every day, which I mean at the moment is not a bad investment comparatively, seeing that the value of the CRNs has dropped drastically. But we require CRO, crypto.com token, to buy CRN. So currently CRO is around 19 cents. So we need enough of CROs to actually convert them to CRN and then buy those tokens to create the node. So this is important point. It's sunk cost, means that whatever you're staking now to create that node is actually a sunk cost, means that money you're not ever going to get back. In this scenario it is $11. But very important point here is, now for every node you create, there is actually a monthly fee, which I'll run through shortly. So this project has been done close to a year. At good times it was giving really good because the CRO was higher, but means also if the CRO was higher, means that at this point it would cost us much more to actually create a node than what it was before. So also return depends on the token or the value of the token or coin, which means that now if the CRN was 55 cents, means now this was at some time much higher, or it was approximately close to $50 in March. So means that if this node was created, it could give as much as $50 a day. This is the portfolio. You can see the average is $300, but in this scenario, for the Cronodes we need this Cronodes 110 CRNs we need to create this. You can see in this scenario the investment is only $61. Okay, and then the daily return is 55 cents, and means that monthly it's going to be 17 and annually 198. So it's not a very great amount at the moment, but we are just hoping to create these nodes for a fraction of a cost, and then when the CRO goes up or the CRN also will climb up, means that this returns could be up to as good as $50. Looking at other ones like Power Nodes, Use, and all of them, you can see the investment is like $70, $57 is giving you 95 cents daily, $17 giving 23 cents daily, $35 35 cents daily. So there are around 24 portfolios which I will share across, and just this is the meter reading, I call it. Daily return is around $159 at the moment, but imagine now this one is going much higher. Let's say it's $50, then imagine the daily return is going to be much higher. So drops makes oceans. I will share this Excel where the portfolio is. We can see the average is 300, but not necessarily 300. Just I'm saying the average in some of the farms and something minimum around 300. Whereas in this scenario, Cubo is invested is only $35, $57. Cronodes is $61. Tor Nodes is $463, and then in yield nodes $300, and then bomb boardroom is $300, and strong block is $300. So this is also some of the farms, and these are some of the nodes. So in a combination of all of them, so not necessarily all 300. So the total investment is 5,588, and the daily return is 159. So I will share across this portfolio on the link on my video. I want to give you a quick overview before I show you on how to actually create these nodes. There are 4 tiers here. Is now in this one it says now we need 10 CRNs, 20 CRNs, 55 and 110. I thought I was going for this one, 110 CRNs, which is not much, around $50-$60, and then you're earning 1 CRN every day, which means you're earning 55 cents every day. So as I mentioned earlier, this CRN each was $50 at some point. Now it's currently 50 cents. So maybe in a couple of months, if the market rectifies whatsoever, then it could be much higher. But still, let's say even if it crash or something goes terribly wrong, the investment is not major, like thousands of dollars, only 50 CRN $60, which actually has been invested, which is probably having a good potential. In this video, I'll be just telling about how to invest step by step, a couple of minutes, view on my investment, my expectation, sharing the portfolio, providing all the links for you to enable to create this Cronodes. Please don't, this is not financial advice, just sharing my investment plans. On CoinMarketCap, you can see that Cronodes at the moment currently is 55 cents, but whereas at some point it was $50. You can see a $50. So this is the aim now. Buy it when it's cheaper, then probably aim, and somewhere, even if it goes $10 a day, hey, $60 investment is giving you $10 a day. And there are some monthly fees, which is not much critical, but I will share that across now. I like to keep the video simple. Now we understand the basics on what's actually happening, what I'm doing. Now we need to create CRONOS, which is CRN. Okay, we need a MetaMask. If you don't have this MetaMask or all of that, you can see my basic videos, which I've already got there. Then from MetaMask, you are already created that, but then you need CRO. Most of the people have it in crypto.com or in Kucoin or wherever. So there is a difference here. If you're sending from crypto.com, bang, it comes to MetaMask. It doesn't cost much. But then if you're going to send it from Kucoin, it's going to be through Ethereum. It's going to be charging some fees, which is going to be around $14-15 every time you send a CRO. So if you're doing one off, it doesn't really matter. But just these are the small little things. And then you're transferring CRO to your MetaMask wallet. Then you're buying the CRN. You're just doing a easy swap. Then once the CRN is bought, then we're going to this website of this CRONOS, and then literally just creating a node, which is almost like just working on a website and buying and selling. As simple as that. It's nothing major, no technical knowledge required. Now I'm going to start to show on how to actually buy those nodes. I might go very quick, but then you can pause the video and then pretty much look at it, or I might also be giving a Word file with all the screenshots, so you can actually download it and actually go through it step by step. So main thing now, on your MetaMask, you need this network. You might have a default there, but you don't have a CRONOS network, so you need to add the network. As simple as that. Click on add network. Then feed in this one, CRONOS, and all of this I'll be providing in my link. Just do all of this entry and press save. Once you create that, it will say, oh, you don't have CRO. Same thing, we're going to create the CRN as well. Sorry, this is just to create the network of CRONOS. Now it will show you that you have 0 CRO. Now you need to buy the CRO. If you don't have one, you can go to Kucoin and buy this. Actually, you're buying this in Kucoin and then buy CRO. Then you're going to copy across the address from your CRONOS network, which you created just now. As I mentioned earlier, using the ERC20, it's going to be, gas fees is going to be high if you're going to transfer from Kucoin. You're going to paste it across, and you can see that in ETH is $14.78. The main thing here is now you first create the CRONOS network. This is the network. Let me make it clear, CRONOS network. Then you need to add the token manually, CRO and CRN. So if you are not sure of that, you can see my another video on how to actually add the CRO and CRN, which is at the bottom. You basically go and copy the address from the CoinMarketCap and then paste it, and then the CRO will create. It says 0 CRO, 0 CRN. Now this is our aim, to actually create this tier 4. I transferred some from my crypto wallet, crypto.com, 36 CROs as a sample to make sure it's all working, and I saved my address in the CRO crypto.com wallet. Then I also send, once I know everything is going good, then I transferred the remaining of 386 CROs into my from my crypto.com. So now we have enough CROs to actually buy the CRN. Now the CROs have already come in. That's a different CRO. This is CRN. Now we need the CRN to actually make the nodes. So the CRN, now we don't have it in our Metamask wallet. So what we do is we go to CoinMarketCap, and then you actually copy this address. Copy the address, and now come and go to your MetaMask and go import tokens. And when you say import tokens, copy paste it, it will already come up as CRN. It will automatically feed it, and then you press add custom token. Do not copy from any random website. Make sure it's from CoinMarketCap or something which is actually true. There are a lot of fake websites where if you copy a wrong address, then when you send the money, it's gone to somebody. So now it says 0 CRN. Now we actually have to have 0 CRN, but you have the CROs. We have to go to this app at chronoswap.org to actually do the swap. Once you do that, it'll connect to your wallet through Metamask. Now we are converting the CROs, 300 CROs to CRNs 110. I click on swap. So I confirm the swap. There is some fees in CROs taken, 0.75. Waiting for confirmation. Then once you do that, it's very important, if you then add the token to your wallet, so then you can actually physically see whether that tokens have come. Once the swap is done, go to this crypto CRNodes. I'll give you the link for this website. Once you go there and you connect your wallet with MetaMask here, you can see that 110 CRNs are ready. So now there are few tiers here to buy. So now basically you're going to buy the tier 4. This part is very simple. As far as you have the 110 CRNs, the wallet is connected. You just type in whatever name you want. In this case, I put Cronode 1, and then tier 4 I have selected, and buy a node. Once you click buy a node, then it will ask for confirmation. It will go through this process, and the MetaMask wallet will open and close. You press confirm. Once that happens, it will say node created successfully. So once this is done, it will tell you here this one has been created, and your monthly fee is around 40 CRO. So at the moment now 40 CROs we have to pay, which is probably around $8 or $9 because the CRO is very less. So how it works is it actually works in favor, because if the CRO is less, you're paying CRO less fees, but if the CRO goes higher, your earnings also on a daily basis higher. So this is how you actually create a node. I'll put my Word document here with all the screenshots so you can actually download it and do it step by step. These are the 2 rules I use in my investment. So little drops makes mighty oceans, means that small little investments in nodes and etc., small stuff. So when the crypto is like giving birth, the new token is just emerging, it's just better to buy for $10, where it is like we can buy a lot of more tokens. When it's $100, when they're actually going into different ways, exchanges, I buy it in for $100. And when I know I have already not actually lost it, and basically I couldn't have bought it when it was actually in its initial stages. This is where I put $1,000, where the market cap is high. So one important strategy as well, I wouldn't go and see that basically, this one is a really good crypto, so I'll put all my money in. Never. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's better to distribute not only in crypto, in real estate and shares. This is just my investment strategy, not financial advice. Thank you for watching. I'll also add up my the portfolios and other links as well on this video, so then you can have a look at it. This is just my investment style and strategy I'm using. It's not financial advice. Thank you for watching.